Should a pop-up drink stand use cashless payments only? Yes, in most cases, going cashless only is a smart move for a pop-up drink stand because it speeds up lines, reduces theft, and makes bookkeeping so much easier. Think about it like this: when you only take cards or phone taps, you do not need a heavy cash box. You do not need to make change, and you do not have to worry about someone grabbing your money box and running off. Something a lot of people do not realize is that many card readers now let you set up what is called tap to pay directly on a regular smartphone, so you do not even need to buy a separate machine anymore. This means a tiny pop-up stand can accept payments just as fast as a big coffee shop chain. Another hidden benefit is that cashless sales create an automatic paper trail, which makes it way easier at tax time since every sale is already logged with a time and amount. It also helps you spot your best-selling drinks quickly because the sales data is already sorted for you. The actionable step here is to grab a mobile card reader, connect it to your phone, and test it at home before your first event, so you are not fumbling with it in front of customers. One big mistake people make is assuming every customer has a smartphone or card ready, especially at outdoor events, fairs, or farmers markets where older customers or kids with cash from their parents show up. A simple fix is to post a clear, friendly sign that says cards and mobile pay only right at eye level near your stand so nobody is caught off guard. Another common issue is spotty internet or weak signal killing your transaction, so always have a backup hotspot or make sure your reader supports offline processing. Lastly, do not forget that transaction fees add up, so build those small percentages into your pricing ahead of time instead of losing profit after the fact. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.